Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of printing out PDFs just to scribble notes on them, you're in the right place. Today, in 2025, I'm going to show you how to write directly on a PDF using your iPhone. It's faster, easier, and totally eco-friendly. Whether you're a student annotating lecture notes or a professional reviewing contracts, this feature has been upgraded with better AI tools for smoother editing. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the PDF file on your iPhone. You can download it from an email, a website, or save it from the Files app. Once you have it, open the Files app and locate your PDF. Tap on it to open, and you'll see a preview. Now, here's the fun part. At the top right, hit the markup icon. It looks like a pencil in a circle. If you don't see it, tap the Share button and select Markup from the options. With the markup tools open, you'll get a toolbar at the bottom. Select the pen tool to draw freehand, or choose the text tool if you want to type notes directly onto the page. iOS 19 in 2025 has improved this with smarter handwriting recognition, so your scribbles might even auto-convert to text. Use your finger for quick edits or connect an Apple Pencil for precision. Zoom in for detailed work by pinching the screen, and don't forget to change colors or pen thicknesses from the toolbar. After you've made your changes, tap Done in the top left to save. Your annotated PDF will be updated in the Files app, and you can share it via email, messages, or cloud storage. Pro tip: if you're using third-party apps like Adobe Acrobat, they offer even more advanced features like collaboration tools, definitely worth checking out for frequent users. And there you have it. Writing on PDFs on your iPhone in 2025 is a game changer. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.